Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to see all the chords when you are singing in any Android smartphone. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as CHORDS, as you can see here. Just search this applications, CHORDS, real-time chord recognitions. Just tap on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it. Once the installation is done, click open. On opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface. So here you can see below is a recording options. So when you click on this record and you try to sing, so let me just try to record something, a words. In my days, wherever I go, so I feel lonely alone. So you can see the chords you can see while you were singing, and below you also you can see the guitar chords. Even you can play the guitar chords, even a piano chords, even you can see here. And once you are done with your recording, what you can do is you can save this recordings. You can see here a save option is there. Just tap on it. You can give a file name, any file name, whatever you need, and click on save, and it will be saved under this application. So to play this, you can see here select media. Just tap on this. You can see here save recordings. You can see here test, and if you click on here, you can just play it, and you can click on the play by touching the play button. So here you can see a chord list also. You can see the enter chord list regarding if you want to know the chords or find the chords. And here is a chord recognitions. So this is very useful if you want to find the chords when you were singing, or you can find out the chords of the respective musics by selecting this select media and external audio files. When there is a YouTube option, so you can directly find from the YouTube, and you can directly analyze the chords of that respective songs or any particular video songs. So this is a cool applications that you should definitely try, in my opinion. So if you never known about this cool application, so you should definitely check this out today. So if you find any difficulty in understanding this application, feel free to leave your comments below, and I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problem. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.